Hello everyone, today I am going to show you an extension that will help you to save sometimes and even help you to more productive, and you're gonna love it. So at first you have to go to the Chrome store, then search for awesome shortcuts. Then you will find a extension. You have to click to add on the Chrome. After that you have to just pin this on the bar. Now, if you would like to create a GitHub repo, you could search for the GitHub repo from there. You could just click on the icon and it will redirect you to the GitHub page. If you would like to create a Google Calendar, just click on there. It will redirect you to the calendar page. You have to just add the title and some additional data. Then it will be added. You don't have to manually go to the calendar and then click to add new. Even you could use for the Google Docs. They have Google Keeps and lots of the things, and day by day the developer is adding. And more interesting thing is that this developer is from our country, so we could promote this so our developer will be more inspired. If you search there, you will find lots of stuff there that will help you to use the shortcut and save some times and be more productive, so you don't have to manually go to each of and every website then add a new stuff. So that's it guys, see you on the next video. Take care, bye bye.